Perhaps the most painful situation where we keep getting obsessed and stuck and we keep replaying things again and again are when we see that someone in our life has moved on too quickly. Because when someone moves on too quickly, it can feel like that our place in their life has been erased. And this touches a very deep human fear, the fear of being replaceable. We want to believe that our presence in someone's life has been significant. So when someone moves on easily, the mind starts searching for evidence. Evidence that they miss you. Evidence that they are affected. Evidence that you mattered. Because if we find these signs, then it restores our sense of worth. But here's the difficult truth. Sometimes people move on quickly not because you mattered little to them, but because they cannot tolerate sitting with their discomfort. So some people escape pain by distracting themselves, keeping themselves busy, by filling up the emotional space quickly. In other words, their speed is not always a measure of how little you mattered. Sometimes it's the measure of how difficult it is for them to sit with their own thoughts alone. But